right, with this WESH2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Mainolfi. Well, we're over the hump. At least you guys are. I still got to finish the night and get on after the Olympics. But halfway home to the weekend, you got to like that, right? A lot of showers and storms out there today, folks. And more are in the forecast for tomorrow. And then the trend does appear to be lowering as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're going to break that down for you in plenty of heat. Zane Hutchinson, Sue Raymond, good to have you guys in here. Appreciate you all popping in and saying hi on this Wednesday evening. Always a pleasure to have you guys. All right, let's flip it on over. Take a look at the radar. We still do have the afternoon showers and storms with us, but they are winding down. So certainly some good news there. Darlene Mize, Mary Evans, Jeff Neighbors, Joe Lovejoy. I do, Zane. Yes, Joyce Brown, Lissa Borelli, Jessica Greenfield, Terry Acosta from the Space Coast, Tanya Langford, Eduardo Brenes. No audio. Yeah, I've got audio. Can you guys hear me? I've got audio on my side. Somebody's saying no audio. I see it there. Someone's got to crank up their audio. Carla Deeb, good to have you there. Always a pleasure to have you guys in here. There's Terry Lottie. All right, let's break this down, get a little closer. Shayna Lee McCardle, good evening to you. Offshore tomorrow, good through early afternoon, then watch the afternoon after 3 o'clock. Showers and storms coming in. Stephanie Marie Grazi. Jeff Neighbors has got the sunglasses on. No rain here in Fruitland Park. I can hear you, says Juan. Appreciate you, Sue Raymond. I hear you fine. So someone needs to crank up their audio on their cell phone or on their PC, whatever it may be. All right, radar tour. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. Still looking at a few showers here. Here's Palm Coast, Marineland. Up there for Francis Loyacano. Bunnell, Shell Bluff, Flagler Beach, a couple of showers. Catherine Wood, Kathleen Michelle Rossin, good to have you there. Shayna Lee McCardle, you're welcome. Catch me a flounder. Joe Vaughn, well, I'm doing good, Joe. Good to have you in here, my friend. Can't wait to have you back down here. I can hear now. Mary, got you, Mary. Melbourne does need the rain. Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's break it down. Oh, a little bit of rain. There it is, Leesburg, back towards Wildwood, over towards Bushnell, on into central and southern Sumter County. A few isolated sprinkles there near Chuliota, nothing more than that. Good evening, dear soul, right back at you there, young lady. There's a look now at Miko. A couple of showers tried to make it in, but are winding on down. Let's take a look now at some of these rainfall totals. There you go. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, Deltona 3.12. Peter Curtis from Windermere has popped in. Rebecca Williams, San Denio. Lover 8980 Rabbit. Yes, that's going back. Melinda Robertson. Mr. Colmer's in the house. Rosie Martinez. There's a look at Casadega 3.07 inches of rain. Lake Helen 1.75 inches of rain. Karen Rasmussen has popped in. K-Ras. That little question there. We got Cal Angel. Lots of rain today. Yes, Karen Rasmussen. Gotcha. Jessica, we need a rain break. Jess, some folks haven't gotten any rain, so consider yourself fortunate. Elizabeth Hart has popped in. Lizzie, good to have you there. Appreciate you as always popping on in and saying hi. Oh, yeah. There we go. Campbell, 1.88. Bigelow, 149. Kissimmee 147, Lake Underhill 1.43. Kathleen from Sanford has popped in. Mary Zaccone, happy Wednesday evening to you. I did, I had a nice day, a long day. Got out of here late last night. Sherry Hoffman. Sherry, are you on vacation out there, or did you move there? What's going on, Sherry? Give me the info there. Me too, says Mary. There we go. All right, Sherry. Miss Jefferson High School has popped in. There we go. Look at that. All right, so when we take a look now at these deficits, you can see that we have Leesburg is at 4.69, still a surplus, but been a little dry. Been a little dry there. 4.30, 4.23, and Daytona, look at 5.5 inches behind. Melbourne, 8.5 inches behind. Look at that, folks. Oh yeah. Brian Keller has popped in. Kent Bazan. In the morning, yes, you're looking good, Kento. There we go. Let's take a look at these temps. 77 to land, 80 in Leesburg, 81 in St. Cloud. There you go. So those are the current temperatures. A little overdone in the rain right now, but it gets the story done. Things quieting out quite nicely here. Lizzie Quadrado. I am good. How are you? How's the family, everybody up there in Philly? Lizzie, talk to me, Goose. How was your weekend? All right, let's talk about the lows for tomorrow morning. Middle 70s, pretty much middle upper 70s, pretty much area wide. Let's see here. Denise DiVirgilio, good to have you there. Terry Lottie, Sue Raymond, having now popped in. Good to have you guys. Let's take a look at the planner for Orlando. 82, 88, 92, 94, 89. The afternoon showers and storms are in the picture here for us, especially by mid-afternoon, as you can see right there. There we go. Now, take a look at the RPM forecast and look. Check this out. Here we go. Few showers, few storms again, getting going. Late morning on into the afternoon, and then as we work our way on into Friday, there will be a few showers and storms. Coverage might be just a teeny bit lower. Beverly Wells from Deer Haven now popping in and saying hi to us. Love that. Let's look at that. As you can see there. Now, when we take a look at the rainfall totals here, there you go. Some isolated pockets right there, as you can see, of a couple of inches of rain. Not everybody, but a few. April Blair from Florida has popped in. Apes, looking good in the glasses there. Mary Evans, I'm enjoying. Ooh, there we go. Liking the breeze. Phil Short, he's getting himself a cup of Joey. Joey. All right, so let's take a look at the weather impacts for tomorrow. Bill Sawyers, Edward Garcia. Feels like temperatures high. UV index high. Showers and storms, medium threat there. Rip currents, a medium threat there as well. Tara Lynn Tootle. Hello, Tony, and everybody, she's saying. Good to have you there, TLT. Always a pleasure to have you. All right, if you're doing the beach thing tomorrow, check it. There you go. West to east, 5 to 10. Water temperatures, 82 to 84. High tide, 156. Low tide at 7.4. Look who has popped in. Miss Brenda Burke. The Burkski, the Burkatola, the Burkolina. Good to have you there, young lady. Always appreciate you popping in. A long time no hear. Brenda Ruski. Stephen Pashada. A busy day. Good day, though. Productive. Gotta like that, Stephen. Stray shower at 982. Noontime temperature of 90. April Blair. You know, look, I'm just trying to hang with you, girl. I want to be with the cool kids, Miss Winterhaven. Brenda Gambola. Brenda Ruski. Brenda Rama. Brenda Ruski. About 93, 94 tomorrow. Around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, they'll be watching the showers and the storms. So for me, the heat tomorrow and the afternoon storms is the concern, 82 to 94. So there you go right there. You take a look at the attractions forecast for tomorrow. Epcot Food and Wine Festival, 88, 94, and 81. There you go. It's right there. Then we take a look at SeaWorld, 88, 94, and 87. There's your afternoon showers and storms. Tomorrow, the UV index, 10, 11, very high, which means in about 10 to 20 minutes time, we'll have the chance for you to get a burn. So that's what you got to be very, very careful with there as we get you on into the afternoon tomorrow. Just a quick little heads up on that. Hello, Jojo Hernandez. Jennifer, good to have you there. Appreciate you popping in. April, that comes in October. Deborah, she's saluting people tonight. Love that. St. Augustine's in the Jill for when? Oh, you're in St. You'll have showers and storms tomorrow, but I think it'll be a little bit drier as we head into Friday and Saturday. Just FYI on that. So there you go. That's what we're talking about. All right, let's take a look at some planners here. Up towards Daytona Beach. 80, 86, 88, 87. Showers and storms get going. May hit 90, 91 as we get into early afternoon. But from there, we'll start to cool down because of the showers and storms coming on in. Now let me show you this. Look at this. Check it. Bill Odell. Bill, you are too kind. Appreciate those nice words. Jane Garrison, good evening to you, young lady. Tiburon Rodriguez from Dunellen. Good to have you there. Now, that's Melbourne. Then we take a look at the forecast for tomorrow afternoon. 90 to 92 along the coast. 91 to 95 back through the interior. So that's what we are looking at right there for tomorrow. Good stuff. All right. Now, we do have a big launch on Friday, by the way. That launch window, right around 2:53. Cumulus and lightning rule. Cumulus and lightning rule. A 40% go. A 40% go as of now. A 60% no-go. A 60% no-go. So that's one of the things that we're going to have to watch. St. Cloud, Michael Jung, good to have you there. Shelby Nicole, lots of lightning in Webster. Yep. Brenda, the tropics are relatively quiet. I will highlight that here for you in just a second. Let me just finish up here on the weekend forecast and the early next week forecast so that you can kind of get the sense of what's going on. Plenty of heat and humidity on Saturday. Plenty of humidity and heat on Sunday. Rain chances running at about 40 to 50% on Saturday and around 50% there on Sunday. In fact, you take a look at the weekend planner here, and there you go. Feels like 100 plus on both Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances Saturday, 30%, but jumping up to about 50% there as we get you on into the afternoon on Sunday. Now, when you factor in the heat and the humidity, check out these feels-like temperatures here over the weekend. Jeff Neighbors, it's going to be sweltering. Got to be careful. Mainolfi. I don't know. Jeff Neighbors, it was a crazy day in Daytona. Yes, lots of rain there. Michelle Van Zandt has popped in. Mish, always a pleasure to have you there, young lady. Appreciate you popping in and saying hi. Keep coming. All right, let's take a look at early next week. The pattern does look wetter. Our front drifts into the deep south, stalls out, but the flow picks up the moisture off of the Gulf of Mexico, and you can see the showers and storm coverage does begin to pick on up as we get you into early next week. Now, we head to the tropics here, and let me show you what's going on. Big Azores high and Bermuda high just spanning out there, and look at all that dry air. Just kind of annihilating any chance for anything to develop. Just the moisture is trying to come off the west coast of Africa, and then it hits that wall of dry, sinking subsidence type air there. That and the Saharan dust playing havoc on the tropical development coming off of the west coast of Africa. At least for now, things certainly should pick up as we get into the month of August. But we've had a nice little downtime here, which is some good news. We certainly have been fortunate with that after that incredible quick start there. Gail Tarani, Gail, a lot. I'm going to show you that here in a second, so don't go anywhere. Let me just finish up this tropics. I wanted to kind of show you the pattern we've been in here and why the tropics have been so quiet. this July. After the first couple of days, things have kind of simmered on down there. You can see that big Azores high, providing a lot of sinking and stable air off the northwest coast of Africa and the central and the northern tropical Atlantic. While that's going on, it's also pulling cooler water down along the northwest coast of Africa, but that wind on the backside of that Azores high has been pulling that Saharan dust away from the Saharan desert, and that helps to stabilize the environment. Now, there's a pretty decent wave coming off the west coast of Africa. We'll watch that, but for the time being, there's a look at what's going on. There's a big push of that dust again off of the west coast of Africa there, and there's a lot of that dry air. So that's kind of what we're dealing with. Now, when you take a look at both of the computer models, here's what they're doing. I like to use the water vapor channel so you can kind of see where the moisture is pulling. Pretty quiet through Friday. A little wave comes off the west coast of Africa. Notice how it doesn't do anything. It gets kind of squashed with that big high to the north. Another wave tries to come off the west coast of Africa, and that one we may have to watch. As you can see, a little blue dot there west of the Cabo Verde Islands. So that may be something that has a chance to do something. We'll continue to watch it. So that's the GFS. Here's a look at the Euro. Start from scratch here. A lot of wind shear in the southeast. A lot of wind shear across the west coast of Africa. A couple waves trying to pull back towards the west. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Let me go back to that. Very last couple of images there did show a little swirl there west of the Cabo Verde Islands. So we'll see. Mickey Custer, good to have you there, Mickey. Appreciate you popping in. So that's a look at what's going on. Now, July formation in the tropics looks like this. We look at the northwest Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, the southeastern United States, the Bahamian area, and the eastern Caribbean. Terrible into it's going to be there'll be a few strong storms. I think a lot like today. Tanya, I like a stable environment. Tanya, that makes two of us. I know, Michelle, I need some coffee. Prefer the dust than a hurricane. Absolutely, well said. By the way, the next named storm is Fred, for those of you that may have forgotten. There you go. Fred and then Grace. Fred and then Grace. Fred and then Grace. 7-day forecast here for you. Looks like this. 94, 95, 95, 93, 91, 92. Rain chances lowering a little bit there on Friday, Saturday, going up Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that's it's kind of a peek at what we're doing right now. What's a go-to in here? Jake, I like the water vapor channel. The water vapor channel shows us when things try to get going. And, GFS tried to get a few things going there. Initially couldn't do it, but that last little push there around the 7th of August, we may have to watch that. There's Bangor, Maine, Boston, in the chilly mid and upper 60s. There you go. No, Brian, not so much. It's all dictated by the sea breezes and any pieces of energy in the upper flow that come across. So that's how I do it. Kat Pento, good to have you. Susan Janoski, hey Tony, 40. Woo! Susan, you tell your husband there will be showers and storms. Let me go so you can see the heat out west, the cool weather in the northeast. Let me show you the RPM model real quick for the fishing for tomorrow. Here's a look at the RPM model. So you've got, there's 5 a.m., getting that fishing going. Couple showers off the coast there. Things get going a little bit better there, as we get into the noon through 4 o'clock hour. And then maybe, again, later on in the day. So that could be two different rounds there is what I'm trying to say. So that's one of the things that I would say we would need to watch there. There you go. All right, so thank you, Brenda. You're too kind to me. Appreciate the nice words. Kat, yes. Congratulations on the 40th, says Mary. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Cat saying happy anniversary. All right, so I do want to show you the national satellite perspective here, so you can kind of see what's going on. Nice front came through the Northeast. Gorgeous weather up there, from Philadelphia to New York to Albany to Boston. Nice and comfortable. Another front there is pushing through. Just came through Winnipeg. Now it's pushing through International Falls, and a blast of really cool weather up there. I'm going to show you that here in a second. The west, the monsoon is really going. That's good news. Got to get that moisture there. And then lots of showers and storms there along the Mexico-U.S. border. All right, let's take a look here. Susan, you're welcome. Look at that. Anchorage 60, Akutan 53, Nome 51, Point Barrow 44, Fort Ross 40. Look at Baker Lake 52, 63 in Thompson, Iqaluit 48, Moosonee 66, Bangor, Maine 67, Sioux Falls 93, Vegas 101, Sacramento 101, Orlando 80. Irma, good to have you there. Jake, look, there's a couple things I think going on there. Number one, we got these little currents that sometimes get very warm. That can, cause the red tide. When the waters get warm, sometimes you get the lack of upwelling that doesn't allow the cooler waters to come up, which breeds the oxygen. And then sometimes, you can get pollution, and pollution's could also be a big part of it. There's a lot of theories, but when it heats up and the waters get to a certain temperature, that's a big part of it as well. So those are just a few of the things that we look at and gauge and try to figure out what could be coming our way. Bogota coming in at 61, Lima 61, Asuncion coming in at 52, Buenos Aires 46, Punta Arenas coming in at 46, and then as we go to Luanda 70, Cape Town 52, Muscat, Yemen 104. Muscat, Yemen 104. That is some serious heat. Dominique, you're welcome. Pollution. Yep, Michelle, there's no doubt about that. That does not help. Pollution from the oils from boats, gas, you name it. London 55, Berlin 66, Paris. Scandinavia and Europe have been a little cool this summer, no doubt about that. I love these Facebook Live. Tony is you only get 2.5 to 3 minutes during a normal weathercast. I can go as long as I want on this. So there you go. You're welcome, Sue. 90 in Baghdad, Surgut at 50, Bishkek 64, Rukumi at 75, Bratsk 61, Yakutsk was 80 earlier, 64 now. Hi, Tony. The humidity is... there you go. No doubt about that, Donna. You too, Mary. Tanya Langford, happy anniversary. Facebook Live is awesome. It is. You guys get to hang out and make friends, too. How about that? Shanghai, 86. There you have it. And then, what we got here? Hong Kong, 86. Manila, 77. Makassar, 79, Jakarta 77, Carnarvon 68, Perth 63, Adelaide 52, Melbourne 50, Hobart Airport coming in at 48, Christchurch and Auckland 50 and 61. So that's kind of a look at what we've got going on. All right, gang, I am going to end it on the 7-day forecast here for everybody, kind of show you what is in the works. Tomorrow's definitely going to be another wet day, but I think the rain chances are going to come down a little bit, at least briefly, on Friday and Saturday, and then go right back up as we get you into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's going to be a hot one there, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you've got outdoor plans with loved ones or family or friends, just make sure that you guys have plenty of water, stay hydrated, do your thing, have fun in the sun, but make sure you do it the safe way. Hat, sunblock, water, you guys know the drill. All right, gang. I am going to rock and roll. I say sayonara for now, but I will be back right here tomorrow night on Facebook Live right around the 8 o'clock hour. All right, gang, take care, stay safe, and got to wear those masks again. Got to get the rest of the folks here in Central Florida vaccinated to help stop the spread of this virus. All right, gang, have a great night. See you tonight at 10, and hopefully again following the Olympics, probably right around midnight tonight. See you, gang.